Dear students, so in the previous class we have learnt the number system. Basically there are two classifications, non-positional and positional. So the number system that we are generally day to day we are using is decimal number system, which uses only a few symbols called digits, that is 0 to 9 in decimal number system case. In binary only 0 and 1s will be used. In octal 0 to 7 will be used. Okay. Similarly, the decimal number system unique symbols are 0 to 9, hence the base is 10. So if you give any number in the decimal number system like 2586, so you can write this one descriptive in the descriptive manner, that is 6 is in the place of unit, 8 is in tens, 5 is 100 place, and 2 is in 1000 place. So 6 is unit, that is 6 into 10 raised to 0. The first position is 10 raised to 0, second is 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 3. So 10 raised to 0 is nothing but 1, so 1 into 6 is 6, and 10 raised to 1 is nothing but 10, 10 into 8 is 80, and 10 raised to 2, that is 100, 100 into 5 is 500, 10 raised to 3 is 1000, 1000 into 2 is 2000, so 2586. So 2586, you can see the descriptive manner with the position values. The binary number system uses only zeros and ones as their symbols. The maximum value of a single digit is 1, and the least value is 0. Okay. So similarly, so here there is a number 10101 in binary. So you can convert this one into decimal number system by multiplying each digit to its positional value, that is 1 into 2 raised to 0, 0 into 2 raised to 1, 1 into 2 raised to 2, 0 into 2 raised to 3, and 1 into 2 raised to 4. So 2 raised to 0 is 1, so 1 into 1 is 1, and 2 raised to 1 is 2, but into 0 is 0. 2 raised to 2 is 4, 4 into 1 is 4, and 0 into 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3 is 8, but 0 into 2 raised to 3, and 2 raised to 4 into 1 is 16. So here what you can see is, in binary number system, the maximum position value will be given here. That means 1 into 2 raised to 0 or 0 into 2 raised to 0. So because the binary number system uses only two symbols, so the maximum what you can say value that we can get is position value, otherwise 0. Okay. So 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1, so 21 in decimal. So this is the same case if you want to convert any binary number system into decimal. Okay. So in different number systems you can represent a number. Basically you can use the bit standards. Bit stands for binary digit. Okay. Bit, byte. Okay. All bit in computer technology terminology means either 0 or 1. Basically the computer understands digitally, because it is a digital computer system, which uses zeros and ones for all its inputs. Okay. Binary number consists of n bits, is called an n bit number. So it may be 8 bit number, it may be 16 bit, 32 bit, 64, 125, like that. Okay. Next, since there are only 8 digits, so octal number system is called the oct. Number system is called or known as oct. So 8 digits means 0 to 7. 0 to 7. So 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. Next, 2057. You should not pronounce this one as 2057. It is 2057 in octal is equal to 1071 in decimal. So simple the conversion, that is 7 into 8 raised to 0. 7 is in the first place or least significant digit. 8 raised to 0 into 7, 8 raised to 1 into 5, 8 raised to 2 is into 0, 8 raised to 3 into 2. So 8 raised to 0 is 1, 7 into 1, 7, 40, and here 0, because 0 into 8 raised to 8, that is 64, 64 into 0 is 0, and then 1024, that is 512 into 2, that is 1024. So totally 1071 in decimal. So 2057 in octal is equal to 1071. Similarly, another number system, so which we can also use in the computer system is hexadecimal number system. So here the number of symbols used is total 16. 0 to 9 is common. 0 to 9 is common like decimal. Then for 10 it is A, 11 B, C, D, E, F. So for 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, so we are going to use A, B, C, D, E, F alphabets. So 0 to F. Okay. So these hexadecimal codes are most probably used in computer, especially for color codings. Color codings. Okay. So whenever you want to code the colors or represent the colors, especially in web designing or in application programs. Okay. So we are going to give these hexadecimal codes instead of saying red, green, blue, what you can say yellow, black. Okay, so we are going to give the hexadecimal representations for it. The symbols A, B, C, D, E, F represent the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 respectively. The maximum value of single digit is 15, that is one less than the value of its base, for as it is in the other number systems. Okay, so 1 AF in decimal is equal to F into 16 raised to 0, A into 16 raised to 1, 1 into 16 raised to 2. That is 15 into 1, that is 15, 16 into 10, 160, 256 into 1, 256. 256 plus 160 plus 15 is 431 in decimal. So 1 AF in hexadecimal is equal to 431 in decimal. Okay. So converting number system of another base to a decimal, so you can convert any number system to other number system. Say here 4708 06 of octal is equal to how much in decimal? So very simple, 4706, 6 into 8 raised to 0, 0 into 8 raised to 1, 7 into 8 raised to 2, 4 into 8 raised to 3. So then calculate that one. So that finally 2048 plus 448 plus 0 plus 6, sum of these products, then 2502 of decimal. It's final. Okay. So division remainder method. So you can convert the decimal number into any other programming or any other number system, that is using the division and remainder system. Here 952 is decimal number system. You need to convert it to octal. So octal base is 8. So you go on divide the number from 8. So until you get the quotient 0. So 952 divided by 8. So it is 119, but remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Okay. Next 14, 119. Next number will be 119. So for 119 again you divide by 8. So 8 14 the next it is remainder is 7. Next for 14 you divide by 8 again. 8 1 the 8, that is 6 is the remainder. Then 6 is lesser than 8. So here 6 divided by 8, 1 divided by 8, not 6, 1 divided by 1 is less than 8, 1 divided by 8, that is 0. So you will say 1 6 7 0, 1 6 7 0. 952 of decimal number system is equal to 1670 in octal. I hope you understood this easy concept alva. ಭಾಳ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಿಂದ ಬೇರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬೇಸಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 952 ಅನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೈನರಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ 2ರಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವೋಷಂಟ್ 0. ಆಮೇಲೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರನ್ನು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಟಲಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೆಕ್ಸಾಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 16 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 5ದಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, 3ಯಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಎನಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ವಲ್ ನಮಗೆ ಜನರಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಯಾವುದು ಕೇಳಿ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್, ಹೆಕ್ಸಾಡೆಸಿಮಲ್, ಆಕ್ಟಲ್, ಬೈನರಿ. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 546 ಆಫ್ ಬೇಸ್ 6 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೇಸ್ 4 ಇದನ್ನು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ 209 ಆಫ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್, ಡೆಸಿಮಲಿಗೆ ಬಂತು. ಡೆಸಿಮಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ 209 is decimal number, so you can convert that decimal number to 4 base. 209 divided by 4, 452, the remainder is 1 is, then 13, then 3 is found to be less than that 4, so automatically quotient is 0, so then reversal bariri 3101. Okay, this shortcut method will be taught to you in the next session. Okay, thank you.